Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this last video we have discussed about the if-else condition. So in this video we will discuss about the logical operators. So what are the logical operators? These and or operators are logical operators, and or these logical operators check the condition whether condition is true or false. So let's without wasting time, let's start the program. Let's take the integer value int. For example, let's take subject 1. Okay, let's the marks you will decide. Let's 45 here. Okay, and let's take another value int subject 2. Okay, and let's take 32. Okay, so let's use the if condition. If subject 1 greater than equal to 35, then condition will run, and then you will print system dot out dot print line student is passed. For example, let's take up, and now we use else condition here, and why is error showing? Okay, so now we will use else condition. Else student is fails. Let's print out that student is failed. System dot out dot print line here, and student is failed. Okay, so we have this condition. If subject 1 marks greater than 35, then student is passed, otherwise else system student is failed. Let's try and run this program, and you will see student is passed because this subject 1 marks greater than 35. And for example, let's take it as subject 2, and if subject 2 greater than 35, then student is passed. And let's run this program, and student is failed. So you will see the condition now, because marks in the subject 2 is less than 35, so student is failed. So, and this how if else works in the Java. And let's now use the logical operators in Java. We can also do like this. For example, if subject 1 greater than equal to 35, and now we will use the AND operator. And now you will see the subject 2 greater than equal to 35, then what will happen? Then we will condition, then system dot out dot print ln. This is how then student is, then need is passed, for example. Okay, else we will use the else. If student marks is less than this or not greater than this, else student is failed. Else system dot out dot print line need is fair. Okay, so this let's try and run this program. Is this working or not? And why is the error showing in the error? Okay, because we write two condition here, so we'll use another round bracket here, and now you will see the error is gone. So let's run this program, and First, it checks this condition, student is full. Let's comment this, and now let's run this AND operator condition here. Okay. What is happening? Okay, something is wrong here. I don't think so. What is? And now let's try and run. Okay. This is the first condition, student is fail. Okay, but on the second condition, if subject is less than greater than 35, subject to greater than 35, student is pass, otherwise fail. Then in the subject 2 nearest did not achieve more marks than 35, so he is fail. So near is fail. So basically we use AND operator to check the many conditions, whether it will not go for the second condition until it is false. So this is false, and so this is the result. So this is how AND operator works. And now let's make another condition here using OR operators. If student if subject 1, and let's make it less than 35, so less than equal to, you can say equal to 35, and or now we will use or subject 2, for example take less than 35, so greater than 35, so this is the greater than 35. Okay, then and where I will use this one more bracket here, and then I will run a condition system dot out dot print line. Okay, so what is this system dot out dot print line, and you are passed, else you will fail. Now we will run another condition, that else, and system dot out dot print line, you are fail. So you will see we have 3 conditions. First one is let's normally if else condition, using second is AND operator we use, third we use OR operators. So let's try and run this program, and what will it show. And first one, this forget first 2 condition, because in we are checking the third condition here. And if marks greater than 35, you are passed. If marks not greater than 35, you are failed. So marks not greater than 35 in every subject, what you will see the result, you are passed. So what basically OR operators do, it checks the first condition is true or not. So basically subject 1 marks are greater than 35, so it checks the first condition only, and if the first condition is true, then it won't go on second condition. This is how OR operators works. Or you can say like this, if marks are less than, marks are less than 35, what subject 2 over here, what will it go do? And let's see, you are failed. So basically it won't go on second condition. The first condition is true. For example, if subject 2 is fail, you will see the marks here are less than 32, and so it will showing you fail. And this is how logical operator works in Java. If you like my video, please do follow and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching right now.